Hey, are you confused to know where to find business information for public and private companies? Today I will describe all the things. Watch the video till the end for the whole information. Hello everyone, welcomes back to my channel Ajay Digital World. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online, and I can share information regarding the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. So if you interested, please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. Watch the tutorial till the end. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, link in the description box. Subscribe to my channel and watch the video till the end for the whole information. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is the purpose of Crunchbase? Crunchbase is the leading forum for professionals to identify and connect with creative businesses, as well as explore new opportunities. Crunchbase is trusted by over 55 million professionals, including founders, investors, market analysts, and salespeople, to help them make better business decisions. If you want to visit the site, link in the description box. Is Crunchbase a free service? Crunchbase Starter is available for a free 7-day trial here. Crunchbase Pro costs $49 a month on an annual basis. Crunchbase Pro is available for a free 7-day trial here. Crunchbase Enterprise pricing is dictated by the number of licenses and add-ons required. What is the price of Crunchbase? Crunchbase Pro costs $29 a month on an annual basis. Annual subscriptions are charged in full upfront. How trustworthy is Crunchbase? It's notoriously difficult to find accurate information about private companies. Crunchbase has built a reputation for uncovering this information and is now the world's leading source of reliable information on often secretive private companies. What's your Crunchbase strategy? To build a Crunchbase profile, follow these steps. 1. Go to the site connection in the description box and follow the steps to create a new user account or login. 2. Click the account icon in the upper right-hand corner to go to your account tab, then click My Account. 3. Simply connect your LinkedIn, Facebook, or Twitter account to verify your account with social authentication. What is the difference between a Crunchbase profile and a Crunchbase account? Any registered user can build or update a company profile page on Crunchbase since it is a crowdsourced database. Profiles aren't necessarily associated with a particular account or password. To update an existing Crunchbase profile, you must first build a Crunchbase user account by registering here. What exactly does a Crunchbase rating imply? Crunchbase Rank is a dynamic ranking for all entities in the Crunchbase dataset, companies, organizations, and schools. It is a metric for assessing an entity's prominence. The Crunchbase Rank is affected by events such as product launches, funding events, leadership changes, and news. What do I do if I want to change my Crunchbase profile? On Crunchbase, you can edit your profile. To edit your profile, go to the top right of the page and press the 3-dot icon, then Edit. You can note that certain fields on a company profile's edit screen are locked for editing. Only checked employees of the company may make improvements to these areas. Feature of Crunchbase. 1. Locate potential customers. Find the right leads and close more deals in less time. 2. Look for investment opportunities. Identify and follow up on creative companies in your field. 3. Seek out buyers. All of your investor analysis and competitor reporting can be performed in one location. 4. Perform market analysis. Discover new trends and examine shifts in a variety of industries. I hope you all really like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Don't forget to share and smash the bell icon. Leave a comment. Good luck.